Hey guys, welcome to CleliaCrafts. Today we will be teaching you the Larks Head Knot and the Reverse Larks Head Knot. First, we will be walking you through the basic Larks Head Knot. This is typically used at the very beginning of a project to mount your cord onto your dowel. So to begin, you want to measure out your cord and fold it in half. Then you want to place the loop in front of the dowel and fold the top of the loop over the dowel away from you. You'll then thread the two loose cord ends through the loop and pull down to tighten. Repeat this for as many cords as you need to start your project. Next, let's walk through the Reverse Lark's Head Knot. The steps are very similar, but there are just a few slight adjustments you'll need to make. First, measure out a piece of cord and fold it in half. Place the cord behind the dowel and fold the top of the loop towards you over the dowel. Thread the two loose cord ends through the loop and pull down to tighten. Repeat this for as many cords as you'll need to begin your project. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!